Hi friends, welcome to our channel Info for You. If you are a new visitor for this video, please click on subscribe button, then click on this bell icon to get notification for latest uploaded videos. Now I will show you how to remove background noise or hissing noise from an audio using Audacity software. It's a free software available in Microsoft Store for Windows machines. In last part 1 video, we saw that how to extract or separate audio from recorded video using VLC player. If anybody haven't watched part 1 video, please watch that video first to get better understanding. I have given the link in description. Now let's start part 2 video. See here already I have original separated audio. So let's go to the Windows and then search for Audacity software. See here it is there. Just open it by double clicking. Here the software is open. Here we go. Audacity software open. This is the software. So initially we need to open that file. Just click on file and open that file. So after click on that open, so automatically it's taken the default desktop folder. So here we need to search for an mp3 which we have already converted, that is mp3. So this is the one, desktop mp3. So I need to select this and click on open. So it's opened in Audacity software. So before filtering or removing noise, just play in this software itself. We will come to know whether this has noise or not. So just click on play button. See, I haven't talked anything. It has already noise about more than minus 56 dB. Okay, so this is the noise. This is the noise we need to remove. So let's play it again.
Hi friends, today I am going to read an excellent quote by Abdul.
This same noise is available in the all these areas which has background noise or hissing noise. So now we need to remove this. I will show the steps how it is. Just press the stop button, so it will go back to the starting page. So now we need to select the noise area. So I am going to select from the starting. So just click on here and till the noise end. So before my audio start, so to cross check it, just play it. Just click on play it. It will play only that area, selected area. Please make sure it does not include your voice. It will start, your voice will start later. So I have selected only noisy area. Got it right? So now I am going to apply the effect. Just click on effect, then go to the noise reduction. So don't do anything here, don't change any settings here, let it be there. This is a 12, sensitivity 6, let it be there. Okay, and it's selected noisy, reduce. Okay, just click on get noise profile. So here what is happening, I am going to tell to the software, this is the noisy area, this is not my voice, so please remove it. So it's taken the profile first. So again I need to go back to the effect and noise reduction. So now I don't need to select the get noise profile, so I need to preview it. Make sure it should preview. Okay, so it got previewed. So now I need to apply this noise to noise by clicking OK. Don't do anything here, just click on OK. So now you will find the difference. Just play it, whether that noise got reduced or not. I am going to click on play. See, compared to last time, the noise got reduced. So now I am going to apply this profile to entire audio. So let's see how it is. So here file, edit, here we have select option. Just click on select and click on all. So it's going to select entire audio. So wherever that audio is present, this software going to remove entire noise, not your voice. Make sure, because I have given profile as this is the noise area. Is it up? If it is appear in any area, it will reduce completely, not your voice. Okay, it not affected your noise, your voice. So I have selected entire audio. So I'm going back to the effect. So now I'm going to select noise reduction. So now I'm no need to select this get noise profile, because I already selected it and reduce the noise. Same thing I need to apply here. So let's click on preview.
Hi friends.
See, in last time during the preview it wasn't appear my audio, but this time it's appearing. It does not mean that it is going to remove your audio. So it's telling that it is this profile is going to select entire audio. So we will see how it is. So now just click on OK. Don't do anything. Since this audio has very less duration, it got filtered very fastly. Now don't do anything, just click on play. Let's see whether that audio got reduced or not.
Hi friends, today I am going to read an excellent quote by.
See friends, our my audio is still there. That means it won't affect to my audio. Okay, see, whatever the noise is there, it's removed completely. If in this area it is removed, and this area I haven't talked anything, so this area has some noise as same as this area. So I have selected this area as a noisy area, so it is removed here as well. It is removed here as well, since I haven't talked anything, but this noise is matched to this area's noise, so it's removed completely. When I select all and given the same profile to all audio, it's removing completely matching profile. So this is the simple step we need to use. Okay, so let's stop it. Just click on stop, play entire audio once to get better clarity. See, here no noise is coming.
Hi friends, today I am going to read an excellent quote by Abdul Kalam. That is, I am not a handsome guy, but I can give my hands to someone who needs help. Beauty is in the heart, not in the face. By Abdul Kalam. Thank you.
So now noise is removed. If you if you are not happy, do the same procedure again. If noise is appearing in this area, same steps you need to apply again. So now I am satisfied with this filter. Okay, now I am going to export this audio. I'm going to save this filtered project. So just click on file again and select export as mp3. So I need mp3 only, I need mp3 format only. So just I'm going to click on mp3. So once you click on that export as mp3, it will show you the destination file where we need to save this file. Okay, so along with it shows some format options. So bitrate, just let it be there. It's selected preset. And quality, so better you can select maximum quality. I have selected insane 320 kbps. So this is the maximum better quality for audios. So variable speed, don't select fast or fast, just select standard. And channel mode, select it in joint stereo. That's it friends. Just click on save. Before that I have already with the same format, same name file, that is original file. I am going to rename it randomly. Just give mm double m. So let's see, I am going to save this file. Once you click on save, this pop-up will open. Ignore this pop-up, no need to select anything here. Just click on OK. Yeah, so after clicking the OK, it got converted, it got exported. So since this audio has very less duration, it's converted very fastly or exported very fastly. So now I'm going to see that this exported video, and along with I'm going to compare with original mp3. Just I'm going to close this software now. It will ask for save. no need to save again, we already exported that audio. So that software got closed. Now I need to check my exported audio is came or not. See, in desktop this came because I given the path to save in desktop only. See, desktop mm double m. This is the original audio and this is the exported audio, filter audio. So one thing you need to focus on, duration must be same. See, this is the 38 second and exported or filter audio also 38 second. Only acceptable variation is only 1 second, not more than that, because it will affect to when we are going to merge with an original video. Okay, so 1 second is acceptable, but not more than that. See, I have filter, noise removed audio and original audio. Let's check the comparison. First I am going to play the original audio. See, here I am not talking anything, but noise is still there, voice is coming. Let's see again.
Hi friends, today I am going to read an excellent quote by Abdul Kalam. That is, I am not a handsome guy, but I can give my hands to someone who needs help. Beauty is in the heart, not in the face. By Abdul Kalam. Thank you.
See, in this original audio as background noise for entire video. So let me check the filtered audio. Is there any difference? Let's see. See, here audio is already started, but still there is no noise. But in previous audio, before starting my voice, noise was started. So let's see again. See, there is no noise at all. Okay, just play for entire audio.
Hi friends, today I am going to read an excellent quote by Abdul Kalam. That is, I am not a handsome guy, but I can give my hands to someone who needs help. Beauty is in the heart, not in the face. By Abdul Kalam. Thank you.
See friends, in this filtered audio, we will see much difference compared to original audio. See, in this test video, we have original audio. So I will show you in next video, part 3, how to merge or how to add this filtered audio to original video. Then video will be a professional video, so we can upload it wherever we want. So for YouTube it will be better. So I have given the links of first and last videos links in this video's description. If you have any doubts, please comment on any videos, any of these 3 videos. So I will try to reply on that. If If you need this type of related videos, please comment on that. Let me know. I will try to make that video as soon as possible. Thank you. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit on like and share to everyone. Then please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notification for latest uploaded videos. Thank you.